guys, welcome back to blog, and today we'll be learning Python basics. Just a little notice that this is part 1. Part 2 I'll be releasing in 1 week or so. So let's do a little bit of research on Python first. If you don't want to hear this, the time thingy will show on the screen. So Python was released in 1991. Python 2 was released on 16th October 2000. Python 3 was released on 3rd December 2008. And there's still loads of companies and people using Python 2, but it has been discontinued by Python. And nobody can use it, but when you go to Python 3 and you're using Python 2 code, it translates everything from Python 2 to Python 3, so you can still do everything and be productive. Today the latest version of Python is 3.9.5, and 3.9.5 is what we will be learning today. If you have enjoyed so far, please consider liking and subscribing. Functions. Functions in Python are indicators telling Python to do the meaning of the functioning. Hopefully that makes sense. Example: print, brackets, speech marks, hello world. Functions in Python are print, input, def, and if. Def, you might not know it, but I'll be explaining what def means in part 2, and if I'll be showing you what it means in part 2 as well. So we're just going to be focusing on this video on Python, print and input. Not Python. Also, I've missed out, this is all the functions that I know, and they are enough functions for you to code anything you want. Why do we need brackets and speech marks? The brackets and speech marks are really important to type after the function. The brackets is indicating that you want to print what is inside of them. But why do we need the speech marks? The reason is that with the speech marks, it will print what you have typed in between them. If you don't have the speech marks, then the text inside the brackets will give you an error in the terminal or print a function you named. More on that in the next video. Input is another function. It allows the user to type what they want. To create a function, you will have to type in. That's supposed to be if you want to create a function called input, you will have to type in input, brackets, speech marks, input, whatever you want here. This will give you the output of input, whatever you want here. And then next to that, the user can type in whatever they want. For example, input whatever you want here, sub to block. Usually in Python editors, when the user types in something, it's usually in green and in italics. If you don't want any text before the user's input, just type input, brackets and speech marks with nothing in between those speech marks. Also, if you are wondering how to download Python and a Python editor, find the video link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It will be really appreciated. And if you know some people, family, friends that are really interested in coding and they want to start coding, please share the video, and thank you very much for watching.
She can feel the vibe.